Did you know that a simple glass of water with baking soda can trigger a series of beneficial reactions in your body? Doctors not only know about its benefits, but many also recommend and even take it regularly. Why do they do this? In the next few minutes, you'll be amazed by the power of this simple, yet extremely effective mixture. Stick around until the end and change your health for the better. So, what really happens in the body when you drink baking soda with water? The secret lies in the alkaline nature of baking soda. When you consume this mixture, it helps balance your body's pH, creating a less acidic environment. This balance can bring several benefits, such as improving digestion, relieving acid reflux, and even easing heartburn symptoms. Additionally, a study published in the Journal of Immunology showed that baking soda can reduce inflammation in the body by stimulating the production of cells that balance the immune response, fostering a healthier environment less prone to chronic inflammation. How to make the baking soda and water solution. According to the National Institutes of Health, NIH, one of the leading health authorities in the U.S., the baking soda solution for consumption is simple to prepare. Just add half a teaspoon of baking soda to an 8-ounce glass, about 240 milliliters, of water. This amount is considered safe and effective for neutralizing excess stomach acid and providing other health benefits. However, it's important not to overdo it, and people with health issues, like high blood pressure, should always consult a doctor before starting to use it. Gastrointestinal benefits and medical recommendation. Doctors often recommend this practice for patients with gastrointestinal disorders, such as acid reflux and heartburn, conditions that are becoming more common due to the high consumption of processed and fatty foods. When you consume baking soda, it neutralizes stomach acid, providing immediate relief and preventing the discomfort these issues cause in everyday life. Imagine being able to fight the discomfort from a heavy meal with a simple solution you can find at any grocery store. Baking soda and kidney health. But the power of baking soda isn't limited to the stomach. It also plays a crucial role in kidney health. For patients with mild to moderate kidney disease, doctors recommend using baking soda to reduce blood acidity and prevent kidney damage. A study published in the Kidney International Journal highlighted that using baking soda can slow the progression of chronic kidney disease, a condition that affects millions of people, especially those whose diets are high in sodium and processed proteins, which can overwork the kidneys. Improving athletic performance. Another group that greatly benefits from this practice is athletes. That's right. Baking soda has been used as a natural supplement to enhance physical performance. It works by neutralizing lactic acid that builds up in muscles during intense exercises like running, cycling, and weightlifting. This can delay muscle fatigue and improve endurance. That's why many athletes and even sports doctors recommend this strategy before competitions. It's an effective and natural way to boost performance, something that is being increasingly studied and practiced. Using baking soda requires balance. Like any other natural solution, using baking soda should be done with caution. As much as it offers a variety of benefits, doctors warn against excessive consumption, especially for those with high blood pressure. Baking soda is high in sodium, and consuming large amounts can raise blood pressure, a common problem due to the high intake of processed foods. Therefore, it's always recommended to consult a healthcare professional before adopting the habit of regularly consuming baking soda. Baking soda in daily life, a versatile ally. Now, you might be wondering, how can I incorporate this practice into my daily routine? The answer is simple. Besides being used for immediate relief from gastrointestinal discomfort, a glass of water with baking soda can be used occasionally to reset your body, especially after heavy meals or a tough workout. Of course, consumption should be moderate, but when used correctly, it can be a powerful ally for your health. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to check out these other videos to improve your health. See you next time.